Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me, and I'm doing this intro a little bit different because you guys are already seeing the final product. I'm going to show you guys how I got this cute little braided headband hairstyle, how I did my makeup. I'm wearing this like teal eyeliner, which is totally out of my comfort zone, but I really like it. But before we get into that, I do want to thank Dossier for working with me on today's video. If you don't know, Dossier, which I hope I'm saying that correctly, is a perfume company, and they actually sent me 4 different perfumes that I was able to pick out on my own, so I was really excited about that. So Dossier creates perfumes that are inspired by high-end brands like Chanel, Tom Ford, YSL, basically high-end luxury brand perfumes that people spend hundreds of dollars on. You can find perfumes inspired by those scents for a very, very affordable price at Dossier. So the first perfume I got is this one called Floral Marshmallow. I was initially curious about this one just because of the name itself, like Floral Marshmallow. I'd never seen that kind of combination in a perfume, so I was really curious to see what it smelled like. And this has been my favorite one and what I've been wearing for the past few days. It's definitely a like daytime kind of like light and airy scent, if you know what I mean. So the top notes of this are marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot. The middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris, I believe. And then the base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. And this is actually the one that I'm going to be wearing today. And the packaging itself is also really nice. To me, it looks very nice and luxurious and kind of like high-end. It'll look really nice on your countertop or wherever you keep your perfumes. And one little detail that I really like about these bottles is this little magnetic feature right here. So if you just let this go, it kind of just snaps back. It just goes back together, which is really cool. So the other scents I got are woody oak moss, I got woody sandalwood, and I also got spicy orchid. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I've never really been huge into perfumes, so I definitely don't have like a signature scent that I like. So I was really just going through the reviews on the website and seeing what people were saying about them. And the Floral Marshmallow was actually on their bestsellers list, so I thought I might as well try it since a lot of people seem to like it. So if you are a perfume lover and you want to save some money, definitely check out Dossier. I'll have all their information and a link down in the description box. And on top of already affordable prices, you can save 30% on your first order at Dossier using a combination of my discount code, which is going to be Jolliana10, and also using their welcome offer on their website, which is 20% off. They also have a new payment method that allows you to earn store credit. So on the last step of your checkout process, you can select the catch icon and get rewarded with 10% of store credit on every order. That's a lot of money to be saved and also used for future purchases. So definitely check them out in the description box below. So with that all being said and me already being ready for the day, I'm gonna go get some food, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So I just got back from the gym. I need to start getting ready for the day. I definitely need to wash my hair today. I've washed it once since I came back from vacation, and it's been almost 2 weeks. But yeah, I need to wash my hair. I have a pimple patch on my face, by the way. That's what that is. So I'm going to be trying out this nutritive hair mask from the brand Eva and Avo. This is what the package looks like outside of the box. It's actually very, very minimal. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I haven't even opened this. I had this for a few days. I haven't tried it. I haven't opened it. I haven't smelled it. So let's see what it smells like. And this is how it looks inside. Honestly, I think the avocado packaging is just like their branding and not necessarily what's in here. I haven't even read the ingredients. It kind of smells like cocoa butter. Okay, so I just propped you guys up on my tripod so I can properly show you guys this mask and not try to do it with one hand. I don't know, I was assuming that this would be like an avocado mask, but I was just reading through the ingredients and I don't think I see any avocado. So it does say to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do in the shower though. So I won't really show you guys, but I'll let you guys know what I think about it once I get out. So I just got out the shower, and here are my thoughts on this hair mask. Is it worth the $9.99? I honestly don't really know. I did use it, as you guys can see, and as I was applying it, I really liked the consistency. I really liked how thick it was. It actually reminded me of this hair mask from Red Beauty, like the consistency of it. I thought it would leave my curls feeling nice and hydrated and like plump and moisturized, but honestly it didn't. And just like reading through the packaging again and the bottle itself, it doesn't really say that's what it's for, so maybe I was expecting something that I wasn't gonna get anyway. So on the actual packaging, it does say it has lush avocado and rosemary oil, which rosemary oil is really good for hair growth, but then on the bottle I don't see avocado in the ingredients list unless it's named as one of these very complicated scientific names that I don't even know how to pronounce. Words like polyquaternium-37, like what is that? Anyway, I thought I would give it a try. I've been seeing it at Target for a few weeks now, so I'm glad that I'm not curious about it anymore. But let's move on to this hairstyle. I'm going to be doing an actual hairstyle. I'm going to be doing like this braided headband thing, which I was inspired to do after I seen Georgia create this hairstyle on her Instagram. I'd seen it on a video, but if she has a photo, I'll link it right here. If not, I'll try to insert the video as well, but I'm not going to do the full thing. I'm kind of just going to do like a little modified version of it. But the first thing I'm going to do is apply some leave-in conditioner. This is the TJN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. I cannot find my comb, so I'm gonna be using a pen to create some lines in my hair. Basically, I'm gonna be creating a headband with 2 braids on each side. So I'm gonna be starting from the middle and braiding downward. I'm not gonna do the 1 braid that Georgia had in the middle of her head. I'm just gonna do the 2 on both sides. So I'm gonna do a middle part. And then I'm gonna section out the area that I wanna be braided. I feel like that's about 2 inches, maybe like 1.5 inches from my forehead down to my ear. I sectioned off both of my pieces. It's definitely not perfect, but it'll work for now. I'm just gonna put one of these sides back into the clip. So I'm gonna be applying some gel so that I have a pretty good hold on the braids. This is the Weedad Climate Control Gel. And then I'm also gonna separate this section in half. And now I'm just gonna start braiding this section. I really wanted to do this now that I had taken my nails off because I'm definitely not able to braid when I have long nails. Okay, so braid number 1 is done. Now I'm gonna move on to do the second braid. And I'm just using water to re-wet my hair. Left side is done. I like the way that it came out, so I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing on the right side. But I'm gonna go ahead and start styling the rest of my hair. So I'm just applying that same Weedad gel all over my hair. And lastly, I'm gonna put on some foam. This is a Thick Trick foam from Cake. Okay, so that is it for my hair today. I am actually gonna let it air dry and then diffuse it later on, but while I let it air dry, I am gonna be doing my makeup. So I actually went to Target to restock on my eyebrow pencil, which is the Milani Weekend Brow. I always get the color Espresso. I really like this one because it has like a thin little marker and it's really easy to draw on like little hairs that mimic your natural hairs if you need to fill in your brows. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush them up. Okay, so while I was restocking on my eyebrow product, I came across a few things that I wanted to try out. So I was really interested in trying out some of the colored eyeliners from NYX. So I got this liquid one and then I just got a crayon one, and this one is Fuchsia Metal. So it's supposed to be metallic, and then this one is, what color is this? Intense Teal. So I really don't know what color I want to do today. And these are what both of the colors look like. The pink one's the liquid and the teal one is the crayon. I actually think I'm gonna go with the teal one because it looks a lot lighter than I thought it was going to apply. So I think I'm gonna do teal today. But before I do that, I am gonna be doing my regular base makeup. I'm gonna be using the Merit Complexion Stick in the color Khaki. I actually also picked up a new bronzer. This is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in the color Golden Days. I've been meaning to get a new one because my little powder bronzer actually broke a few months ago and I just haven't gotten one. But I saw this one. This was like $7, so I decided to try it. And this is the color on my finger. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that with my hands and then rub it in with a brush. It's actually very, very creamy. I feel like, I don't know why it's called putty. I thought it would kind of be like jelly for some reason, but it's very, very creamy, so it doesn't smell like anything. I'm gonna blend it out with the same brush that I used from Merit. I'm gonna be using a little bit of my Milk Makeup Setting Powder. And I'm gonna be using my tiny little NYX lip liner to line my lips. And I did pick up a new lip gloss. This is from NYX. This is the Passion Fruit Snatch. It says it's an electrolyte infused color, but I tried it earlier and it just seems like it's clear. Like you can see a little bit of purple on the applicator, but I don't really see that color when I put it on my lips, but it does smell really good though. I really like the way that that looks, and you guys know I'm a very simple makeup girl. If you expected something crazy, you came to the wrong channel. But I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm honestly probably gonna have to do this off camera because I don't wanna mess it up, but let's see how this goes. So I applied the eyeliner. I don't know if I actually like it, but we're gonna keep it on. I don't know, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. So my camera ended up dying, but I'm back. I finished putting on my mascara. I actually changed my top and diffused my hair, but I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Miel oil, put this on my hands to kind of fluff out my hair, but also put some of this in the lines where my braids are because my scalp is kind of dry actually. Put some of that on my hands to fluff out my curls. So this is pretty much the end result of this hairstyle. It came out super cute and I really love it. This is like baby steps of me trying new things. Like I try a cute little hairstyle that I freaking love. Definitely let me know that you guys enjoyed this kind of content by giving this video a thumbs up. I can do more get ready with me's where I try new hairstyles and try new makeup. I think it's really fun and it kind of gets me a little bit out of my comfort zone and also hopefully give you guys some new hairstyle ideas. And lastly, before I head out the door, I'm gonna be putting on my favorite perfume at the moment, the Floral Marshmallow from Dossier. You guys heard me talk about them earlier. Don't forget to check them out down below if you are interested, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you got this far because I feel like this video is going to be kind of long, longer than my usual videos at least. I really appreciate it and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!